Hi, and welcome to another episode of Professor B Designs. I'm going to walk you through setting up a two-page magazine spread for your project for assignment and just getting the document formatted the way you need it to be formatted. So, for this for this tutorial, we can do one of two things. We can click Create New or File New Document. For this one, I'm just going to go to File New Document, and this dialog box is going to open up for me. I want it to be 8.5 inches wide, 11 inches in height. I want it in portrait orientation. I'm going to have 2 pages total. I want them facing pages. My start page is going to be 2, and for this project we need either 2 or 3 columns. I'm going to go with 3. I'm going to leave the column gutter as default, and then I'm going to leave my margins at 1/2 inch. And then I'm going to click Create, and it's going to give me this dialog box. I'm going to switch back to classic because this just updated. So as InDesign periodically updates, you get things to look a little bit different. For this tutorial and for all of the InDesign tutorials, we want to work in the advanced workspace. So before we start working, we're going to click on Windows, Workspace, and then click on Advanced. And then we will do Windows, Workspace, and reset Advanced to make sure all of the tools in the Advanced setting are populated for us. And that is your two-page magazine spread setup.